Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Instagram monetization. Instagram monetization lets you earn through ads, badges, shopping or brand contact. For you to open your Instagram account, and you must click on bottom right corner of your profile and click on three dots. Go to settings, click on creator, then monetization. Instagram will show you the requirements what need for monetization. To be eligible, you must be 18 years old, follow Instagram partner monetization policies, post original content that doesn't violate any copyright, have an authentic account with real followers, post continuously and grow engagement, like, comment, shares and shows more Instagram that your content is valuable. Reels and story with high engagement improve your monetization chance. Security matters, enable two-factor authentication in your account setting. Instagram requires this all for monetization, and you can link your Instagram account to Facebook page. Many monetization features like ads and brand content needs a connected page. That's all for today's video. Thank you. Hope you will like this video and stay connected for future videos like this. Thank you.